Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you a new project called protocolx. It says the future of decentralized finance. As of right now, it's on pre-sale. If we look here, the pre-sale will end in 2 days, 19 hours and about 50 minutes, okay? And if you're interested in it, at the end of the video, make your decision. If you want to invest in it, I will show you what this is all about, okay? Here it says protocolx is here to change the game by implementing an ever-developing, expanding and growing ecosystem that all feeds into each other. So what it basically is, it's an auto compounding protocol. So this means you buy their tokens, hold them in your wallets, and you get their rewards. You get the rewards paid into your wallet automatically. Okay. It starts at 1.77% daily. Okay. What does it mean? Once you buy the token, it will begin to automatically rebase in your wallet. So in this case, every 30 minutes you will get your rewards automatically in your wallet. What's also interesting, of course, guys, let me show you, they have also been KYC'd by Assure DeFi. And what's also interesting, guys, once per 30 days, API will be reduced by 10% from the previous months. This allows for the token to continue to maintain positive price action pressure while the PTX token rebases with a flexible supply. This will continue each month for 12 events, ending with a fixed 0.5 daily yield rate, okay, rebasing every 30 minutes. This is very good for the sustainability. At the first you would say, why does it go down every month? Why does it go down? But to remain the price somehow stable here and to avoid big price drops, it's usually good if the amount is not too high, because if there's too much supply, too much tokens in the circulating supply, then the price drops and you of course don't want it, okay? There's also protocolx buyback. The entirety of the PXBB protocolx buyback funds go to buybacks of X share NFTs and PTX token, providing them both with a direct deflationary pressure. X share, there will be also NFTs. Owning a protocolx NFT chest, it will be called X share, is your direct share of the company's revenue stream as a whole, okay? This includes a revenue share model from the NFT marketplace, protocolx, and any other future developments under the protocolx umbrella. So X share is like you could buy, for example, the Apple share or Nike share. You could buy a share, in this case, in form of an NFT of their company. There will also be farming and staking, and there will also be the X swap. Yeah? We will implement farming and liquidity pools for single stake X swap to earn WPTX and vice versa. X swap, implementing the DEX and platform, this will allow us to utilize fees to conduct buybacks, burns, and other revenue streamlining methods for the advancement of the protocol, guys. Okay, so there's also the treasury. And what's interesting also, they have some partnerships here, as you can see, and their team is not hiding. Let me show you. If you go to About Us, you can see here the founder, CEO, the community manager, the administration manager, and so on. You can see the entire team here. And guys, there's of course also a white paper. Sorry, it's here. How it all works. Basically, I talked about all these points here before, but if you want to, you can of course have an detailed look into this project and all the facts here. But basically, I told you everything already before, guys. Okay. So if you're interested in this project, of course, always do your own research before you put your own money into one of those projects. I'm just here to show you the possibilities and what's going on in the world of cryptocurrencies and projects, And yes, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.